Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on Reolink's latest home security offerings, the Home Hub Kit. This kit, featuring two Argus Fob Pro and a Home Hub, is a game changer for anyone looking to beef up their home security without the hassle of complex installations or monthly fees. Let's explore what makes this kit special and why it could be the perfect solution for your home. The heart of this kit is the Argus Fob Pro. This little powerhouse of a camera boasts a whopping 180-degree field of view, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Imagine placing one in your front yard to monitor your driveway and another in the backyard to keep an eye on your patio. With this setup, you'll find a complete 360-degree field of view of your property. Another standout feature of the Argus Fob Pro is its ColorX technology. This advanced feature allows the camera to capture stunning color images even in the darkest conditions. Whether it's a late-night visitor or a nocturnal animal, you'll be able to see every detail clearly and vividly. But that's not all. The Argus Fob Pro is also incredibly efficient. With features like ColorX, it can significantly reduce power consumption compared to traditional infrared night vision cameras. This means longer battery life and lower energy costs. Imagine having a security camera that's both powerful and eco-friendly. These two advanced devices provide an efficient solution for managing and storing video footage. By seamlessly connecting to a central home hub, they empower you to easily control access to your recordings and ensure that your valuable footage is securely stored. With key features like encrypted storage as offered by Reolink Home Hub, protect data against unauthorized access. Furthermore, the Home Hub itself facilitates footage storage through the two SD cards that you can put in right here, which can give you storage up to 1 terabyte. Combined with the offline recording, ensures local storage of all footage, eliminating data loss during network interruptions and providing enhanced security. The Reolink Home Hub acts as a reliable alarm center, triggering alarms for connected cameras and offering customizable ringtones for multi-layered protection. By bringing together these devices like the Argus Fob Pro and the Central Home Hub, the whole kit provides peace of mind and unparalleled control, making it the cornerstone of a secure and connected future. And that wraps up this video about the Reolink Argus Fob Pro and the Home Hub Kit. As usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And while you're doing that, consider subscribing. And while you're subscribed, drop a comment down below on what you want to see on our next video and if you want more information about this kit. Until our next video, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.